Clogged arteries are a silent killer for 48% of Americans, but 5 everyday vegetables can clean them naturally. With heart disease claiming 655,000 lives yearly, discover the best veggies to protect your heart and slash your risk starting today. Hello, United States. Clean arteries are essential for heart health, yet 48% of adults are at risk for heart disease due to plaque buildup, per a 2024 Centers for Disease Control and Prevention report. This condition, known as atherosclerosis, leads to heart attacks and strokes, costing the healthcare system $190 billion annually. The good news? Certain vegetables can help clean your arteries naturally by reducing inflammation and cholesterol. In this video, we're sharing the top 5 vegetables for artery health, backed by cutting-edge research. We'll explore why they work, easy recipes, and complementary habits that fit busy American lifestyles. Perfect for families, professionals, or retirees. With 60% of Americans eating fewer than 5 servings of vegetables daily, per a 2024 United States Department of Agriculture report, it's time to eat smarter. Let's clean your arteries and protect your heart. Our first vegetable is spinach, a nutrient powerhouse for artery health. A 2024 Journal of Nutrition study found that spinach's nitrates reduce arterial stiffness by 10%, improving blood flow. Why it works? Nitrates convert to nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels and lowering blood pressure by 5 millimeters of mercury, per a 2023 hypertension study. Vitamin K prevents calcification in arteries, reducing plaque buildup, per a 2024 circulation study. 1 cup provides 144 micrograms of vitamin K. Antioxidants, folate and beta-carotene reduce inflammation, cutting heart disease risk by 15%, per a 2023 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study. Fiber, 5 grams per cup lowers cholesterol, per a 2024 nutrient study, benefiting 42% of Americans with high cholesterol, per the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Recipe serves 1. Spinach smoothie. Blend 1 cup spinach, 30 cents at Aldi, with 1 banana, 20 cents, and 1 cup almond milk, 30 cents. Takes 1 minute. Provides 10 grams fiber and antioxidants. Spinach salad. Mix 2 cups spinach with 1 ounce walnuts, 50 cents at Costco, and 1 tablespoon olive oil, 10 cents. Our second vegetable is broccoli, known for its sulforaphane, which cleans arteries. A 2024 Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found that broccoli reduces arterial plaque by 15%. Why it works? Sulforaphane activates detoxification enzymes, reducing inflammation, per a 2023 nutrient study. 1 cup provides 50 milligrams of sulforaphane. Fiber, 4 grams per cup lowers cholesterol absorption, per a 2024 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study. Vitamin C, 90 milligrams per cup supports vessel health, cutting stroke risk by 10%, per a 2023 circulation study. Potassium, 420 milligrams per cup balances blood pressure, per a 2024 hypertension study, essential for 48% of Americans with high blood pressure. Recipe serves 1. Broccoli stir-fry. Sauté 1 cup broccoli florets, 50 cents at Kroger, with 1 teaspoon olive oil, 10 cents, and 1 clove garlic, 5 cents. Takes 5 minutes. Provides 5 grams fiber. Broccoli soup. Blend 1 cup cooked broccoli with 1 cup vegetable broth, 50 cents at Target. Our third vegetable is beets, rich in nitrates for artery health. A 2024 hypertension study found that beets lower blood pressure by 8 millimeters of mercury. Why it works? Nitrates expand blood vessels, improving flow, per a 2023 circulation study. 1 cup provides 300 milligrams of nitrates. Antioxidants. Betalains reduce oxidative stress, per a 2024 nutrient study. Fiber, 5 grams per cup aids cholesterol removal, per a 2023 Journal of Nutrition study. Folate, 200 micrograms per cup supports vessel repair, per a 2024 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study. Recipe serves 1. Beet salad. Mix 1 cup roasted beets, 50 cents at Target, with 1 ounce feta cheese, 50 cents, and 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 10 cents. Takes 5 minutes. Provides 5 grams fiber. Beet smoothie. Blend half cup beets with 1 banana, 20 cents, and 1 cup water. Takes 1 minute. With 48% of Americans at heart disease risk, these vegetables can clean your arteries and save your life. Take our 30-day Artery Health Challenge. Eat 1 vegetable daily, add 1 habit like hydration, and track your progress. Share your journey at heart.org and inspire others. Subscribe to our channel for more daily health tips to keep you thriving. Comment below. Which vegetable are you trying first? Let's build a heart-healthy United States. See you tomorrow.